Hi there, and welcome to the Blatman Health and Wellness Center, where we do things much differently than standard of care, where we complement standard of care and use what's good with standard of care and add to it to help your problem go away, help your body heal. Most people who come to us have been to 5 doctors, 10 doctors, some to the major clinics across the country that you've heard publicized over and over again as the Mecca of standard of care. And even then, most of medicine, a lot of medicine, is not what we were taught, especially with pain. Pain is very little of what we were taught. It doesn't come from nerves the way we were taught. It doesn't come from your spine, your disc. It doesn't come from joints. And amputation pain is not phantom. Your brain isn't making it up, and that can be made to actually go away. I started in orthopedic surgery. After 2 years, I'd had enough. I'd learned a lot about orthopedic surgery that I use every single day. But orthopedic surgery didn't have the answers for pain, and I had way too many questions. I then went and ran urgent care centers for several years, and then went back to school. Occupational environmental medicine, clinical toxicology, and ergonomics. Believe it or not, you've spent a lifetime accumulating poisons that come into your body and don't leave, or they leave very slowly. When they come in faster than they go out, you get to build up reservoirs in your body. Lead, mercury, arsenic, cadmium, Roundup, all kinds of things that affect your body, that contribute to all kinds of chronic illnesses. So a major part of what we do is to correct how you live, to correct your lifestyle, to help your body promote healing, instead of what you might be doing that promotes the opposite of healing, the continued pain, the continued disability, the continued disease. Everything we do starts with your food. If you don't have the raw materials to rebuild body parts and build healthy body parts, you're down for the count. And also, what about the inflammation that comes from your food? The Blatman Method looks at all of that. What goes into your body, what inflames your body, what toxicology is in your body, and how to help you heal and put your body back together, because your body knows how to heal. Our job is to help you get out of your own way, so you're not diminishing your progress and your potential for progress. And then our job is to help facilitate your biology, so your biology can do what it needs to do when it doesn't have the energy to get over the hump. We help give you that energy and help give you those raw materials so your body has a much better chance to heal. And through the process of the Blatman Method, we watch and help you get better and recover. So why did we grow this center, and why did we do all this work to put this together? It's because I don't know enough to be by myself to help you. None of us know enough. We've created an interdisciplinary, integrative healing center with multiple very smart people, all working together to help you recover. Part of us do psychology, part of us do acupuncture, part of us do all the things that you've heard me talk about where I focus. But we try to look at all of your aspects of healing. This collaborative has a much better chance of finding your root causes. It's not just one. There's a lot of things that went into what makes you today. And there's a lot of places for us to work to find the answers that will help you recover. We watch the process slow down, we watch the deterioration stop, and we watch so many people recover neurocognitive function. And then if you can add things to the body that help the brain recover, you can encourage that to happen also. We see people with neurocognitive decline turn the corner, stop declining, and turn around and get better. Start remembering things they couldn't remember 2 months ago. So many people have been told, you're going to have to live with it. So many people have been told, you have it because you're older, you're old age. Really? You're 65 years old. You shouldn't be playing tennis anymore. You should sit and rest and go in a wheelchair. Are you kidding me? There is no way that old age has to be deterioration. There's no way that old age has to buy you pain. That's a fallacy. I have friends that are retiring and they're in pain and they're uncomfortable or they can't remember. I don't want to live that way. Let me help share what I've learned and share it with you and then you can enjoy these fruits of life just like I do. We welcome you. Just call us. We'll be glad to help.